Alright guys, I'm doing a Yamaha golf cart. This is a 48 volt. I can't tell what year it is. Looks like it's an older one. So there is no ignition 12 volts. There's a converter right there, but it's constant. So what I did is I took the last leg of the battery where the ground is and put the constant right there, and I ran a wire underneath the chassis to over here to the ignition switch. Now the ignition switch gives me 48 volts, so I can't use it. So what we did is we bought, well, the POC had a relay ring around. We don't need one this big. We can get you can try to get like a 48 volt square one, the regular size that you're used to. But this is what we're using. So we're using the ground that I ran for the trigger and for the ground for the camera, and we're putting the constant also here, and then this is being triggered by the ignition switch, and then we'll get 12 volts ignition out of this relay. So if I find a 48 volt relay, I'll try to draw up a diagram and put it up there somewhere. But that's it. We're done with the wiring now. I gotta put the camera in. But that's it.